Welcome back. Let's talk business. The Public Investments Committee on Commercial Affairs and Energy has threatened to commence the process of collecting signatures to impeach Treasury Cabinet Secretary John Mbadi and remove his PS Chris Kiptoo. Now, the leaders have been accused of acting in contempt of Parliament and persistently disregarding the August House. The committee noted that Treasury, alongside Ministry of Energy, KPLC, Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority, EPRA, and Rural Electrification and Renewable Energy Corporation, had been invited to address key concerns, with Kiptoo failing to show up.
Mbadi has been in bad records with Senate. It's in very bad records of not coming to Parliament. So, but this is our first time, and we'll leave it at that. We leave Mbadi to sort out these issues with Senate. But for us, he's an expert, so we'll wait for him. The PS National Treasury has authorized our good brother here to represent him.
You cannot fund Kenya Power to the tune of 30 billion that is bending as a debt because it is not commercially viable. I think that's a bit, condescending on the part of the PS, and I take it with a bit of salt. I think whoever was sent with this document, kindly assume we have not read it.
My village in Kamagipuru is supposed to have electricity. Yes. But unfortunately, because Treasury has not released this money, and this money has continued to accumulate for a number of years, and it has now reached 30 billion. And the CS is telling us in the statement that it's going to consider, the PS is going to consider this in the fiscal framework. Which fiscal framework?
Nothing.
Is this fiscal framework? Is it next year fiscal framework? Which fiscal framework?